Well, we're down here just preparing for the opening ceremony at the Weymouth Live site. We were due to be doing a non-rights holder press conference in the Weymouth Pavilion, but unfortunately, you maybe see behind with all the fire engines, it would appear that there's some sort of fire at the pavilion, and the venue's been evacuated, and so we're out here on the quayside, which frankly from my perspective is a far nicer place to be on this fantastic day, and it looks like it's going to be a really great afternoon and evening as we roll into the opening ceremony for the Olympic Games in just a couple of hours time now.
It's the opening ceremony tonight, really excited by it. It's a shame we can't be in London, but then we're here for the racing, so I think the atmosphere in Weymouth will be just as good and can't wait to get involved in it. So we found out today that they'll be doing 4 flights most of the days at the beginning, which is under half of what we normally do in a day, so it will be very different. We've got a lot of entertainment to keep us chilled out. We've got a lot of puzzles, and we've also found some areas where we can just go and hide from everyone as well.
It's special to be here defending my crown in I guess home waters, so on that point it's really exciting, and if things go away I dread to think how exciting it's going to get afterwards. We're in good shape. We've got the boats. The boat seems to be fine. It's a little bit different to the normal laser sailing. We've got I guess nearly a 2-kilo camera on the front of the boat, so you have to sit a bit further back. There's, I guess for my liking, a bit too many stickers on the sails, but I'm sure it'll look great on TV, so that affects things a little bit. But we've had 4 or 5 days sailing in the boat to try and get the hang of all this, and at the end of the day I'm sure it's going to be the best guy out there that's going to win.
I think we're very well prepared as a team. We have taken advantage of being at home, all the resources that we've got here and the support team around us. Everyone's boat seems ready. And there's a really good vibe. Everyone's really willing each other on. For me, as a windsurfer, my fitness and physiology is very important. So I've got just saw a physio this afternoon, and team doctors making sure that we're healthy and strong, and that's very important, as well as all the equipment checks and things like that. So there's a big team around us, and it's it's not just the athletes at the face of it. Is a really good support team.
So overall, the mood in the camp is fantastic. All the sailors are ready to go. They're ready for the racing to start now. All the support staff, they've done most of the hard work, but they're ready to react and to support the sailors. Make sure they're ready to go each and every day from now right until that very final race. We're all excited for the event to happen, but we're ready for it to start. So just bring it on.